Hello and welcome to the Mustangs and Metal YouTube channel. I am Sean with Legions of Raum, and today you'll be hearing a track off of an original Legions of Raum song that was recorded and came out in about late 2015. It's called Marquis de Sade. It's off the album Fruition, and I'd like to go over also the gear that I used to record the song. We take a look here. This is the guitar. It is a ESP LTD M1000 HT or hardtail. It's got a nice black fade finish. It's also loaded with, I don't know if you can see here, but two custom, or not custom, but bare knuckle Ragnarok pickups in a carbon fiber finish. And then the amp is a Angle Invader 2. On this recording I used channel 4, and I used a overdrive, the famous Dead Horse overdrive, why an overdrive in front of the amp. A lot of people do that in metal. It's been common practice for maybe the past 10, 15, 20 years now, to get a really tight modern metal sound out of your amp, and also noise decimator for noise gate. And yeah, that's the gear I used, so enjoy the video.
Dominated by torture,
Thanks for watching the video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.